Pajama Gaelic, filming on a Wednesday, posting on a Sunday. And one of my favorite things to do on a day off, such as a Wednesday or a Sunday, is come to my favorite local coffee shop here in Wolf Grove, New Hampshire. So that's Lucas Coffee Roasters, and I'm here with my friend Troy, who is the owner and one of my very favorite Gaelic learners. So hello, Troy.
Hello everyone.
So I'm going to teach you some coffee-related phrases today because I think that's really important to know how to talk about coffee on a Sunday. And the first word, of course, that we have to learn is coffee, although I did show this to you in the supermarket a couple weeks ago. So coffee is how you say that in Gaelic. And some of us like our coffee with sugar. And so the way you say sugar in Gaelic is siúgad. So that's siúgad. Some of us like our coffee black. So the way you say black in Gaelic is dú. So dú, that would be coffee dú. And then some of us like cream in our coffee, and I'm certainly one of those people. And the way that you say cream in Gaelic is uachgad. So that's uachgad, that's cream. And then the way you say in my coffee is num coffee. So num coffee, in my coffee. And then you would say stulum is I like. So stulum. So you could say stulum uachgad, num coffee. Stulum siúgad, num coffee. No, stulum coffee do. And that means, of course, I like my coffee black. So that is your episode of Pajama Gaelic. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the weekend, and I'm going to leave you now with a phrase in Gaelic from Troy.
Taloo coffee, a taloo tea.
I